Here are some great stocks to buy at discount. These are a few companies that have been oversold lately. General Motors, auto manufacturer growing its EV market share. Jackson Financial, a company that sells annuities with increased earnings potential. Qualcomm, a reliably strong company that has fallen lately. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 most undervalued stocks to buy in May 2023. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. An essential part of becoming a very profitable investor is finding undervalued stocks to buy. Then, once the market corrects, those particular stocks go up in price relative to their true worth. It leaves investors with a great payout and increased dividend potential due to being able to purchase more shares with less capital. There are a couple of metrics and company highlights to find bargain stocks. Price to earnings is one of the most popular ratios. Typically, a low PE ratio is 20 or less, but this ratio depends on the industry. Also, shareholder equity will tell you what the company would be worth if it was liquidated and all debts were paid off. The last significant piece to pay attention to is simple. Has the company grown steadily over the years regarding net income and revenue? The company may be experiencing a rough patch if the share price falls. But if there is solid growth in the past, that is a good indicator for the future. Here are 3 companies with undervalued stocks to buy. Number 1. General Motors. General Motors is an auto manufacturer with legacy brands such as Chevrolet, GMC, and Buick. GM begun to ramp up its electric vehicle production. In April, they overtook Ford in total EV sales with over 20,000 being sold in the first quarter of 2023. Those numbers ranked it as the second largest American manufacturer of EVs, only behind Tesla. Additionally, Morgan Stanley analysts have upgraded General Motors to a buy, and it's expected to outperform other companies within its industry. GM currently has a 1-year price target that predicts a possible increase in the share price of nearly 50%. On April 25th, the company released its first quarter earnings for 2023. They reported revenue growth of 11% and earnings per share of $1.69, which is up 25% compared to the previous year. With the company's share price being cut in half since a near all-time high back at the beginning of 2022. GM has been massively oversold and has room to grow following its continued positive EV news and earnings per share growth. Number 2. Jackson Financial. Jackson Financial is a financial holdings company that supplies a wide range of retirement products, such as annuities and life insurance policies. In February, Jackson Financial increased its quarterly dividend to 62 cents, a 13% increase compared to the previous year. Jackson Financial released its full-year earnings report for 2022 showing revenue growth of over 57% compared to the full year 2021 and an earnings per share that nearly doubled. The company's IPO date was mid-2021, and its share price reached an all-time high near $50 back in the middle of February. Since then, the stock has fallen by over 25%, partially due to the disappointing fourth quarter earnings results, but the company has seen very positive earnings year over year. Number 3. Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a global technology company that focuses on the wireless industry. They have seen a decrease in share price since its all-time high at the beginning of 2022. Their recent earnings were lackluster, with a decrease in revenue of 17% and an earnings per share that dropped by over 40%. They have also seen a decline in sales of some of their most popular products. Qualcomm really shined during COVID-19 pandemic, when they, along with other similar companies, saw a significant increase in sales. Qualcomm is still an industry leader and has year-over-year net income growth. This slump that their stock is in is likely to pass. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.